folks, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech, coming at you with another lesson. Pretty easy lesson today. We're going to look at minor 7 chords, which we haven't looked at yet. So the chords I was playing there behind that little piece were D minor 7, A minor 7 and G minor 7. So we're just going to look at the D minor 7 and the A minor 7. The G minor 7 is just the same as the A minor 7, it's just moved down a couple of frets. So we're going to have a look at the D minor 7, which is rooted on the 5th string, and the A minor 7, which is rooted on the 6th string. So let's zoom in and have a look at these two minor 7 chords. This should be a very quick lesson for everyone today. So we'll have a look at the A minor 7 first. So we've already done the A minor bar chord, which is just like this. So it's the A major bar chord with the middle finger lifted off. That's A minor. Now to make this an A minor 7, we're going to take another finger off. We're going to take the pinky finger off, just leaving the index finger and the ring finger. And there we have an A minor 7 chord. So all we're doing is we're barring across the 5th fret with the index finger. We've got the ring finger on the 5th string at the 7th fret, playing an E there, and that's it. Just the index finger and the ring finger on that E. And this is the 7 note here, this G. So we're turning this A, when we lift the little finger off, into a G. So we go from A minor to A minor 7. So very simple chord, great sounding chord, the minor 7. So that's the one on the 6th string. Now let's have a look at the version on the 5th string. So again, we've already covered D minor, which is, there's D major, and there's D minor, and this is based off of our A minor open shape. Just slid up here to the 6th fret with the middle finger, and then barring from the 5th string down on the 5th fret gives us D minor. And again, to make this D minor a D minor 7, we're just going to lift that pinky finger off again and leave the index, middle and ring fingers down. So we're going to lift the pinky off, turning this into this. So by lifting that pinky off, we've now got D minor 7. And again, these chords totally movable. So here we've got the A minor 7 again. Move it down 2 frets, we've got G minor 7. Move it down another one, we've got F sharp minor 7. Move it from the 5th position up 2 frets, we've got B minor 7. And so on. Same with the 5th string rooted minor 7. So here we've got D minor 7 on the 5th fret. Move that down 2, we've now got C minor 7. Move it down another one, we've got B minor 7. So that's one way to play B minor 7, and that's another way. So very useful chords, these minor 7s. They're used all over in popular music. You've probably heard them a million times. Songs like is based on the minor 7 chord. So it should be very, very easy for you, this. Just remember, take your standard A minor chord across the 6 strings, lift the pinky finger off, and it becomes A minor 7. And take your standard D minor chord, rooted off the 5th string, and again just take the pinky finger off, and it becomes D minor 7. There we are with another lesson. Very quick and easy lesson for you today. I'm going easy on you. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe if you find these videos useful. Remember to click the little bell. And that's all from me today. And I'll see you on the next lesson. Lesson 32, I believe that will be. Where we'll have a look at the minor scale. We've done the major scale. We're going to have a look at the minor scale. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.